guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I fix my lashes. Okay, so this method will save you about 5 to 2k, okay, if you can do this yourself. So these are all you need your lashes, of course. So this is the one I'm using. I think I got this for 500 naira or 800, I can't remember. I've been using this thing for about 4 months now. And then you need your tweezers. You can get this 200 naira in any store, and then I got this 500 naira. So these are the 3 things you will need when you want to do your lashes yourself. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So I'm just going to pick the lashes and I'm going to put them somewhere. I don't know what they call that thing. I don't know if it's lash balm, but I know they have something like this. So I just went ahead to remove 15 lashes. That's what I would use 10. Today I decided to use 15. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just putting them, picking and then putting them somewhere that it will be easy for me to pick from.
What is it? Haven't you done enough? I said, what is it?
So I'll be using that for one eyes and the other one for the other eyes. So let's get right into the video. Now these are everything that I have to use for my first eyes. Yeah. Now the bond. I'll put it here because I do not have any other place to keep it. I'm so sorry for the background noise. The children, they are on holiday, so noise everywhere. So I do not have another place to put it, so I'm just going to put little because it will get to dry easily and I don't want to waste my products. So I'm just going to take my tweezers, take it like this, like so. I've picked one. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so tiny. It's so tiny. I like to fix these short ones. Yeah. So I'm going to take it like this. Like this. Can you see that? I'm going to put it like so. Okay, like so. So I'm going to start from to use my lashes and then scoop out just like so, like this and like this. I brush it forward and I take it backward, just so I have enough that will just grab my natural lashes. Oh no, it fell down. So I picked that up again, fell down. So I need my mirror now. I will just do that. Okay, like this. Just What do y'all take? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.